Welcome to Nandakchi channel. In this episode, I'm gonna make a cardamom muffins for you. Let's get started. Egg. Stir well using mixer. Add sugar while stirring. Cardamom powder. Honey. Vegetable oil. Melted butter. Rose water. Yogurt. First, mix the baking powder with it and then pour it. Add flour in several stages. Pour into the muffins mold. Sprinkle some sesame on it. Bake for 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, that's it for today. Enjoy your fresh baking. Thank you for watching and happy baking.